So I was actually thinking about a special group of people. Maybe you are that person I'm talking about. You say, I have the trading skill. I am actually eager to make more money in the markets, but I do not have capital. I'm here to tell you that, the days of complaining and saying that I do not have trading capital, those days are over. We are actually in a season where almost every person is actually able to trade and is able to buy or is actually in a position to have trading capital. I mean, look at all these problems, look at all these opportunities in Africa, in Asia, in the United States, so many problems. And we have a $5,000 account, the minimum account that you can actually buy. And I think it's anywhere between $25 to maximum of $40 or $50. I mean, anyone can actually afford $25 or $40. And for some people, it's lunch money. And for some people, they might not have faith enough. I totally understand. Many people are in different situations. But I think if you really want it and if you are hungry, this is the time to take the bull by the horns, buy a Profim account, at least $5,000. It's going to build your trading career. Why? Outside of the profits that you are going to gain, there are so many rules within the Profim challenges or trading accounts that will develop you as a trader and prepare you for large and huge capital. So I think it's time to let the excuse go and time to actually grab the opportunity and change your life. I mean, even if you lose the 5,000 profit challenge, you can always take another one. I mean, even if you lose $40, it's absolutely nothing compared to what you can actually make. So as long as you have a trading system, a strategy that is mechanical, that is able to take you from one place to the next, just go for it, man. Just go for it. And then from there, you can now decide whether you want to build your capital from one place to the next. And if you are struggling with your trading system or strategy, you can always see where you are lacking when you go for that challenge, because you see the consistency. You can also see your maximum daily drawdown. You can also see the losses. There is data that you see on the dashboard of a prop firm that can change and help you, and you can always collect that data and use it in your back testing and change your life. I mean, just grab that $5,000 and it can change your life. I've seen many people, even students within our community, actually committing to that $5,000 account, and you'll see later within a few months they are actually trading a very huge trading account. So let me know what you think within the comment section, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. And if you are struggling with your trading and you need guidance, we have a trading strategy and a system that I've built called the Blue Cipher strategy. So I actually give people a free consultation call where I sit down, look at your trading system, your history and what you've been doing, and see how I can help you. And if you're looking for full mentorship, make sure you click the links down below, and I'll see you on the other side. See you in the next video. A peace.